You know I had to do a remix. Bro,
my ball don't jiggle, jiggle, it bends. I'm trying to catch a lunker and reel 'em in. I'm always out fishing, you know. Shore or the bow, lips are getting pulled. 7'6" on the flip stick. No sight to keep playing, so I'm slaying this. Another track, angular with the rhymes, speaking my mind.
Keeping Tyler.
Buzz bait on the lake, making weight, trying to see it get A like 2 4s. Hey, you ain't really fishing, you ain't using lures. And they call sport fishing cause it is a sport. Back in the lab like Dexter, tracks I sever. Put it on tape like the fish I measure. I ain't worried about the weather, I ain't fair like blue ribbons. You say we gone fishing, then we gone fishing. First cast fishes, got me superstitious. But I ain't get skunked, so I ain't even tripping. I make fish jump, 93 Pippin. No bull, I'm peeling off my ball don't jiggle, jiggle, it bends. I'm trying to catch a lunker and reel 'em in. I'm always out fishing, you know. Shore or the bow, lips are getting pulled. 7'6" on the flip stick. No sight to keep playing, so I'm slaying this. Another track, angular with the rhymes, speaking my mind.
Keeping Tyler.
Curse every backlash and snag. I'm just trying to get my bag, adjust my drag, and make good cash. And keep that drama, man, in my past. Putting up big weight like a bench press. Searching for hogs, I'm relentless. I got a sixth sense when a fish strikes. My line goes tight. I love a good fight like pay-per-view. Ground and pound, MMA. I can talk about fishing, man, all day. Running through these schools like hallways, watching rods get pulled like hamstrings. Jiggle, jiggle, it bends. I'm trying to catch a lunker and reel 'em in. I'm always out fishing, you know. Shore or the bow, lips are getting pulled. 7'6" on the flip stick. No say.